फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नॉलेज गेन बाय पूजा। और आज ऐसे रिवीजन करेंगे टीचिंग लर्निंग एंड द स्कूल फ्रॉम इग्नू बीएड क्वेश्चन पेपर 2015 का क्वेश्चन पेपर है। द मेन पर्पस ऑफ को करिकुलम एक्टिविटीज़ इन अ स्कूल इज़ टू, आंसर है स्कूल इज़ टू हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स अचीव वेल एडजस्टेड पर्सनैलिटी। द स्कूल करिकुलम शुड बी प्लान टू एग्री विथ the goals, purposes, and interests of the students. The effectiveness of the school supervision must be judged in terms of the greater people progress towards the goals of education. The teacher's first duty towards the students. The most important function of the teacher is to guide students' growth. The school children are likely to suffer the worst effect educationally from a teacher who is an emotionally immature individual. The major goal in the classroom discipline should be to promote self-direction on the parts of students. As it applies to the classroom, the teacher's role in motivation is essentially a matter of channeling the energies of live and alert student into constructive activities. In developing a new topic or a lesson, the teacher should begin with some interest already possessed by the students. If a student seems to be fatigued from the mental work, the teacher should provide him or her with greater variety of tasks. The classroom discipline should be oriented towards self-direction. In order for a lesson to be effective, it is necessary for the teachers to plan the lesson systematically. When a child asks a question regarding subject matter, the teacher should generally help the child arrive at his or her own answer. The rejected child is likely to be aggressive. The crucial aspect of the evolution of school learning is measuring growth. In the context of school, continuous and comprehensive evolution means CCE implies assessment of both scholastic and co-scholastic aspect of learning. A good head of an educational institution is one who understands what is good educational administration and applies its principle with a strong hand. Freedom in education implies that a student should be allowed to do any activities if it facilitates learning. The political slogan, "All humans are equal," in fact means all human beings need to be given fair or equitable treatment. Objectives of education are not helpful in first option understanding child development, selecting instructional material, designing learning experience, preparing evaluation tool. The first option is the correct answer. Objective of education are not helpful in understanding child development. In which of the following method is the existing knowledge used to draw conclusion? Deductive reasoning method. The respect of the student for the teacher should stem primarily from the teacher's personal integrity and goodwill. The crucial aspect of scientific process is the method. A child who reads the number wrongly has the following learning disability is dyscalculia. Which of the following comes first in the sequence of deriving a concept? Experiencing. So these were the questions with teaching aptitude section. Thank you.